Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 error code 0x0, 0x1, 0x9, and 0x3. And the game has crashed on PC, and this is basically a PC error code or Xbox Game Pass error code. And so all you have to do is, the first thing I recommend doing is simply just restart your PC, because this is a very simple fix, a simple method, and it does work most of the time. So I'll go ahead and just restart your PC. And if it is crashing on Steam, which most people do play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on Steam, and if it is crashing on Steam, what you guys can do is right click on Steam on your desktop, go ahead and click on Properties. From Properties, you want to go over to Compatibility, and you want to check the Run This Program in Compatibility mode for Windows 8. And you also want to check the Run This Program as an administrator, and then go ahead and hit Apply, and then hit OK. And you can go ahead and start up Steam and then open up Call of Duty this way. And if it's on Xbox Game Pass, you can do the same thing I just basically did for Steam. You can do it on Xbox Game Pass as well. Go ahead and just pin it to your desktop. And once you do, you can do the same thing I just did, and you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.